Today we're unboxing the Cultivate What Matters wall calendar. Now this is the 2022, and for the last like 5 or 6 years, I've always purchased the wall calendar from Cultivate What Matters because it's beautiful. It's like nice and full, it has gold foiling, and it's like the perfect size for my fridge, my life, my personal preference, everything. So this calendar, the old ones cost, I think $15 each year. This new one was only $8. Now, why was it $8? I have no idea. I just saw, I mean, who remembers the price? Because you only buy this like once a year. And when I got it, I was hugely disappointed. It's tiny. So this one, just so you know, if you're wondering the dimensions, it's 12 wide and then it is 24 inches once it's open. This is a 7 by 10. Why is it 7 by 10? I have no idea. But it looks like, if you can see in comparison, it doesn't even go as like long, like tall, and it's also like a mini. I don't know why you would ever want a wall calendar this small. Anyways, so I was like, maybe I bought the wrong one, and there's another one that Cultivate What Matters has, and I wrote to them and they were like, nope, that's the new one. We interviewed or surveyed everyone and they were like, we want a small one that is the exact same size as the Power Sheets book, which to me doesn't make any sense. I don't know why you would carry around a wall calendar and your Power Sheets book together, since a wall calendar is meant to hang on the wall. I don't know. Even when I lived in New York City and I had my tiny studio, I still would have wanted a full like wall calendar. I don't know why these are small. Now she was really nice because I was so upset. She did refund me for the $8 that I paid, but she didn't refund me my tax and my shipping. But that's okay. I mean, I'm so sad about this because it's so tiny and it's just, you know, I think you all know, I always complain, I write really big. And so to have something this itty bitty tiny is like a huge, massive disappointment. I'm gonna show you. So this is tiny, itty bitty. I mean, I think this looks, I think these are the same exact quotes. Maybe the picture's a little different, but if you can see here, it's super skinny. It's hard to even read the dates until you're like the numbers, unless you get super, super extra close. And then on top of it, there's room at the bottom to write. Whereas before, this one has no room at the bottom to write. So it takes up the full space. There was room on the right to write, and these are my stickers that I threw up there. But over here, there's no room on the right or the left, and instead you get this big area at the bottom because it's all skinny. So now we have February, which is little by little adds up. Again, the world's skinniest calendar. Then we have March. This is your season to grow what matters. April, you are growing good things. Again, teeny tiny itty bitty calendar month. Bloom where you're planted for May. You know all those things you've always wanted to do. You should go do them. I believe these are exactly the same. We'll do a comparison. July, Cultivate What Matters. The best things in life grow slowly. Let's see. Celebrate each tiny victory. Oh no, that's definitely different, that design. Dreams become decisions when you cultivate them. A cultivated life is a sweet life. Spread joy like confetti. And we have December at the very end, and that's it. So you can see all of the months right here. So let me know what you think. I don't know. Are you one of the people that voted for this teeny tiny itty bitty 7 by 10 planner or calendar, which is great if I was in high school or junior high and I had a locker, right? That would probably fit inside my locker. But since I'm an adult in a house, I would like to have a full, even if I was an adult in a studio, I would still like to have a full size wall calendar. Let me know what you think. Are you comfy there? Looks like you've kind of outgrown your kitty tower. Are you looking for your birdie friends?